I got too much on my mind. I got too much on my mind these days. To be dealing with your mood swings. Start back, you baby, please, no games. I got too much on my mind. I got too much on my plate. You just wanna know, child. I just need some time spent.
So for this day, we're staying at the Choctaw Resort Casino located in Durant, Oklahoma. This is the 12th floor, room 332, Sky Tower, Premier King. So let me give you a quick room tour. Upon entering the room, over to the right, you have a sliding door that leads to your bathroom. There's your toilet, your sink with body soap, lotion, towels. Then to the left, you have your stand-up shower, more towels. You have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Then across from the bathroom, you have your closet with the ironing board, iron, more hangers, luggage rack, your full-length mirror. Then you come into the main room itself. You have your king-size bed, 2 end tables, 2 lamps, and you have 2 outlets on both sides with 2 USBs. Then over here you have your coffee maker, extra cups, coffee, 2 bottles of water, ice bucket. Then directly below is your mini fridge. And then in your top dresser drawer is your mini safe. There's this little sitting area in front of the king-size bed. In front of that you have your TV that pivots in either direction. Then next to that you have your office desk, your chair, your lamp, 2 electrical outlets, 2 USBs, 1 ether, and 1 HDMI. Then next to the bed you have your chair, little ottoman, standing lamp in the corner. Then you come over to the terrace, and this is the view you have on the balcony. So there you have it, a quick room tour.
I got too much on my mind. I got too much on my